Hey peeps, it's Dawn here. Hope your day is going great. And I just wanted to pop on really quickly and talk about forces. Forces are energies that impact us every day in many different ways. And there are many different types of forces. It could be an environmental force, a physical force, you're impacted, a blow, a car accident, a fall. Could be psychological, could be a modern force, which would be, you know, EMS, looking at our devices constantly, all that energy coming toward us. That's not quite what we might want to be bathed in and to be in every day. And even just the energy of some of the spaces and places online that have very toxic energies that you might absorb by being in them quite often. Spiritual forces, that divine essence, grace, and then missing forces. So missing forces might be, for example, if as a child you had a traumatic childhood and your parents were not able, for whatever reason, to provide you with all of the unconditional love, the nurturing, the safety that we all really, that we all really deserve on a fundamental, basic level. And it's not a judgment because many of us, maybe all of us, have had some things missing that would nurture, that would enhance, that would support our optimal healing and whole path. So how can you restore these missing forces? Well, we can do it through energy work with Reiki plus synergistic resonance. In fact, this morning I was working with a client, and that's exactly what we were doing. We were bringing down all of the original energetic signature and the codes from the ninth chakra, the soul star chakra, bringing it down through all of the chakra system and anchoring it right into the earth star chakra. And it was a very powerful and really interesting session. I love that about my sessions, that they're always individual to what the person needs. I had written some things down beforehand and the guides were like, no, not doing that today. And so it was a really interesting adventure today for me and the client. And so all of those missing forces that I just talked about, the potential would be there for that we have really empty spaces, energetic spaces, emptiness in our energy field, in our body, in our energy body. And so when there are those types of empty spaces, the tendency is to fill them or that they are filled. And so some things that might happen that are not beneficial for our highest and greatest good would be we might have addictions in trying to fill those spaces with the love, with the compassion, with whatever it was that we were not provided in often in our younger years. Or it could be in our lineage as well. It could be back in ancestral, like an ancestral pattern, a lineage legacy that is not something that we want to perpetuate because it is not for our highest and greatest good. So we can work on that as well. We work on it for ourselves, but we also work on it for our lineage. So very powerful work. So the other thing that could possibly happen is that some dense energies might move in. So again, some of those toxicities, some of those lower level energies that might fill that space. And again, this all diminishes our capacity for our highest and greatest potential in our healing. Yeah, so I thought I'd just come on today because there are so many fascinating things in energy work that I think being aware of them is always incredibly helpful for not only me, my clients, but when I tell these stories, I think that some people will resonate with that. And by the mere fact of being aware of it and having the intention to fill those spaces with energy that is aligned with divine truth, divine will, and divine love, we can begin that healing process ourselves. So I invite you, if you are comfortable with energy, to find a quiet, safe space, put yourself in the pillar of light, and really just to explore your energy body and ask to be shown if there are any spaces that are have been affected by missing forces in your life or in past lives or in your ancestral lineage, your line, and to really begin that process of filling them with love, with light, with perhaps today, as we were guided with my client, we brought down all the energetic symbols, templates, the divine template to fill in all of those spaces so that they can begin working in restoring the infinite potential, the infinite healing, the infinite expansion that is available for us all. So give it a try and let me know. Let me know what you discover. I love to hear back from you. Have a great day.